Did you know that your phone has default settings that allow apps and websites to access your phone number? Not all apps or websites are trustworthy. Your number can end up in scammer databases or advertising networks, leading to spam calls, sales pitches, or even fraud attempts. In this video, I will explain step by step how to turn off these settings and protect your privacy on Android. Step 1. Stop phone number sharing with apps. Open settings on your phone. Then scroll down. After that, tap on Google. Then tap on All Services. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on Phone Number Sharing option. Now turn off the phone number sharing option. This stops your phone number from being shared with apps and Google services, helping protect your privacy from misuse. Before we move to step 2, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Android privacy and security tips. Step 2. Disable phone number autofill in Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your phone. Then tap on 3 dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings. Then tap on Addresses and More. Now turn off the Save and Fill Addresses option from here. This prevents Chrome from saving or autofilling your phone number on websites, reducing the risk of tracking, spam, and data misuse. Make these small changes now to keep your phone number private and stay protected from unwanted calls and scams. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.